Digital World. Chapter 1. Computer Languages. Computer languages. Humans use languages such as English, French, Hindi, Tamil, etc. to communicate with each other. A computer also uses different languages to communicate with its users and its components. For example, machine language, assembly language, 3GL, 4GL and 5GL. These languages are called computer languages or programming languages. A computer language is defined as a set of written symbols, words and codes that tells the computer hardware to perform a task. It simply acts as a link between the computer and the user. It changes the instructions given by the user to the computer in a language that it understands. Categories of computer languages. Nowadays, there are many computer languages that people use. Some of them were developed for specific computers and some for specific uses, e.g. business or scientific applications. Computer languages are put into two main categories: low-level languages, LLL, and high-level languages, HLL. Low-level languages. A low-level language, LLL, is written to run on one particular computer. Therefore, it cannot be used easily on another computer. Low-level languages are of two types: machine language and assembly language. Machine language. A machine language is a language that a computer can understand directly without any translation. It refers to zeros and ones that a computer understands as instructions. 0 and 1 are binary digits. A machine language is also called first-generation language, 1GL. Here is an example of machine language written in binary digits for the text, "Hello World." Disadvantages of machine language. Machine language programs run only on the computer for which they have been developed. It means they are machine-dependent. Such programs are not portable to other computers. Using a machine language is very difficult, time-consuming and tiresome. Assembly language. A second-generation language, 2GL, an assembly language is also a low-level programming language. Assembly language uses letters and symbols instead of using numbers, zeros and ones, as in machine languages. A program written in an assembly language uses a short sequence of letters, called mnemonic codes, e.g. A for addition, C for comparison, and M for multiplication. Assembly language is the source program that must be translated into a machine language so that the computer can understand it. For this purpose, an assembler is used. An assembler is a program that is used to translate an assembly language into a machine language so that the computer can understand it. Assembly language provides an easier and a more efficient way to program than a machine language does. High-level languages. A high-level language, HLL, is a computer language that does not depend on the machine. It is very friendly and resembles the language we use. It is much easier to understand and write the program by using this language. Most high-level languages are considered to be procedure-oriented languages because the program instructions consist of the lists of steps and procedures which tell the computer not only what to do but also how to do it. Since this language is machine-independent, a program written in HLL can be used on almost all the computers without any change. Interpreters and compilers are the programs that are used to translate a high-level language into a machine language so that the computer can understand it. There are three main categories of high-level languages: procedural language, non-procedural language, and natural language. Procedural language. A procedural language is also known as a third-generation language, 3GL. In this language, the programmer writes instructions that tell the computer what to accomplish and how to accomplish. This language uses English-like words and letters to make it easy for the programmer to write the program. For example, add for addition or print for printing. Many third-generation languages also use arithmetic operators such as for addition and for multiplication. A procedural language is also referred to as the source program, which must be translated into machine language so that the computer can understand it. A compiler or an interpreter is a program which is used to perform the translation for third-generation languages. BASIC, COBOL, Pascal and Fortran are some examples of third-generation languages. Non-procedural language. A non-procedural language is also referred to as a fourth-generation language, 4GL. In this language, the programmer only specifies what the program should accomplish without explaining how. It uses English-like statements. In fact, fourth-generation languages are easy to use that even users with very little programming background can develop programs. The code of a fourth-generation language is similar to that of a 3GL. The only difference is that the syntax of a 4GL is closer to the human language than a 3GL. Visual Basic, Oracle, Java, etc. are the examples of fourth-generation languages. Natural language. A natural language, also called a fifth-generation language, 5GL, is a language that allows the user to enter requests that resemble human speech. This language is based on solving problems using constraints given to the program, rather than using an algorithm written by a programmer. Mostly, natural languages are associated with expert systems and artificial intelligence. These systems are popular in the medical field, but are not widely used in business applications. The table given below shows comparison between high-level and low-level languages. High-level language. 1. It is easier to write. 2. It is easier to test debug. 3. Its processing speed is slow. Low-level language. 1. It is difficult to write. 2. It is difficult to test debug. 3. Its processing speed is usually fast. Language processors. We know that computer programs are written in high-level languages, but the computer understands only the machine language. Thus, the computer needs a translator software that can convert the high-level language codes into the machine language codes. This is what a language processor does. There are 3 types of language translators. Assembler. An assembler is a software used to translate an assembly language into a machine language so that the computer can understand it. Interpreter. An interpreter is a program that converts the entire source program into a machine language before executing it. It translates and executes one statement at a time. It displays errors of one line at a time, and it goes to the next line only after the error is corrected. Compiler. A compiler is another program that converts the source program into a machine language before executing it. It converts the entire high-level language program into a machine language in one go. It also displays errors for the whole program together. That is why it is faster than an interpreter. Tech fact. The output of an assembler is binary code, while the output of a compiler is a mnemonic version of machine code.